Okay, now let's go over the net metering solution. So we have the same solar production curve. Starts not much solar in the morning as the sun's coming up. As we reach midday, we have the most amount of power and we come back down. And this is your sunset. So in a net metering situation, let's start with no battery. Let's say we're going to do the same curve as earlier and back down. Oop, and back down. So we got some white space here where solar's not producing, but we're still using power. So in a net metering scenario with no battery, this excess solar production gets sent back to the grid. Oh, terrible writing. And you get credits. Those credits, you build up a bank every month. You then pull from the grid when you need it, and you fill in the white space. So that's nice and simple for no battery. Now, the more interesting part here is if we have net metering with a battery. So we're going to use the same consumption curve. We're using more power in the morning, tapering off during the day, more power at night, and off to bed we go here. So we got the white space here. We need to fill that up. So if we have net metering with a battery, let's say same example as earlier, 25 kilowatt hours here. Where does it go? Well, first it gets sent to your home battery. But let's say in this case, we opted for one battery and it was a 15 kilowatt hour battery. So once we got 15 kilowatt hours charging the battery, what happens to the other 10? Well, the other 10 gives you 10 kilowatt hours of credits. Now, we can either fill in this white space with the battery. It's all programmable. Or we can say, you know what? I want to keep the battery. I want to leave at least 10 kilowatt hours of storage in the battery just in case there's an outage. So let's send 5 kilowatt hours here. And that covers this. That fills that in. And the other, let's say 20 that we need here, we can just pull that from the grid. We can use our credits. And then hopefully we have other bank credits that we can pull from, or we'll just pay that difference or use credits in the future from the next day. So that's how that works with net metering in a battery.